If you're managing immersive displays for your organization, the admin portal is where everything happens. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you exactly how it's all organized. I'm John Flores, lead product designer at Mersiv. And today we're going to cover how to manage organizations, how those work, and also show how to manage devices and users. Mersiv Cloud is the admin portal and the one-stop destination for everything to manage your fleet. There's no apps, it runs entirely in a browser, nothing to install. To log in, you simply just go to app.mersiv.com/admin and enter your credentials. You can also access the portal by clicking Login on the Connect page. You can think of organizations like a folder that your devices belong to. Now on the organizations page or the lobby, you can also create a new organization on the fly for any reason you might want to that makes sense for you and your fleet. I'm going to go into an existing organization, and after I get logged in, you can see here that we have this full dashboard. So it shows real-time data like meetings underway, devices that are in use, as well as some fleet information like device status, device plans, overall fleet health. You can also see on the left-hand side, we have the navigation, and up top, you can switch between different orgs or access your personal settings up on the right. You can also click Connect directly from the admin portal to type in a screen key and start sharing to a device. So if we look at the devices page, you'll see more information about your fleet. Things like device status, the type of plan it has, as well as its expiration date, the type of networking it's using, firmware, and a whole host of other things. And to take it one step further, if you click on a device, you'll see even more information as well as the place where you go to customize things for your display, like the background, digital signage, different hardware options, like when you want reboot, power management, firmware updates, networking for things like Ethernet, authentication, Wi-Fi, and calendaring integration for how you want the calendar to appear on the display and how your users can interact with it. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that to access this page, your device must be activated with a plan assigned to it. Now, you can also manage users within Mersiv Cloud. Simply click on the users table, and I have lists of users, their email, and their status, with more things to be added later. If you want to invite new users, you can click on the invite button, type in their email, and they'll get an email invite link to join the org. They'll also see a list of invitations in the org lobby once they log in that they can click to join the organization. And then if you want to remove a person, you simply hover over them, click this delete icon, and confirm. They're gone instantaneously, and this really helps for managing users in the organization. And that's it. Now you know the basics of Mersiv Cloud. For full documentation and setup guides, go to mersiv.com. And if you need help, our support team is here at mersiv.com/support. Thanks for watching.